Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the simple mode at the Huawei Y6s, and yeah, by the way, it works also for the Huawei Y7s and Y9s. So the simple mode will make everything a bit bigger, and yeah, it is very simple especially at the beginning. So it's not only for the elderly or for the people who cannot really see, it is also for people who starts with smartphone. So how to go there? Or let me show you what it is in general. No? So just scroll down here, then go here to the symbol for the settings. And if you scroll down now until the end of the screen, you have here the system. And here we have the simple mode. If you tap on that simple mode, you see an overview here. No? And as you can see already here, you have just 3 apps on a row, so not 4 or 5 like at the beginning. So it makes it a bit more simple and not too much on one page, you know what I mean? So then go here on enable. So if you use it for the first time, you have to enable it again. So here with the button, you will see what I mean. So, and that is the simple mode. So as you can see, not too many on one page. So everything is also a bit bigger here and so on. So a nice overview, yeah, and also the noises. Now, if I go now here to the noise settings, you can see the phone automatically put the ringtone, the alarms, and the calls on the maximum. So, but you can change it if you want. And also add settings. That is very nice because you have just the basic settings, you know, like things you need often, maybe the Wi-Fi or the mobile data or the Bluetooth. So things you need more often are at the focus here. And yeah, you can change also the text size if it's too big, but I think huge is okay. So change the sound, the display, and so on. And in case you miss settings, you can go also here more settings, and you have here the regular settings. And you can set up everything as on the regular mode. And yeah, if you want to exit this mode, if you feel ready for the regular mode, then you just go here on the settings and then go here on exit simple mode, and you are back at the regular mode. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be really a pleasure. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can subscribe my channel. Yeah, would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.